Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials and taking the first concrete steps. Install Python 3. 10 or newer, set up a virtualenv and install Pygame or your chosen engine. This isolates dependencies. Once done, create a Git repo and a clean project tree with main, py, assets / and scripts /. Next, scaffold a game loop. Handle events, update state, render frames. Make sure to run a simple windowed example to confirm the runtime works before building mechanics. Now you implement the complex middle, core mechanics and structure. Start with a reliable game loop using a fixed time step or delta time. This keeps physics stable. Then add player input mapping, movement, and collision detection, iterating until controls feel responsive. Modularize by placing entities, physics, and rendering in separate classes and modules. This reduces coupling. Once these systems communicate through events, test scenarios frequently, tweak constants, and profile hotspots so the frame rate stays consistent across devices. Finish by polishing, packaging, and validating the build. Integrate sprites, UI screens, menus, and audio, balance gameplay, and add feedback like particles or screen shake. Then prepare for distribution. Freeze with PyInstaller or use your engine's exporter, test on target OSes, and sign or compress builds. If something breaks, first reproduce the bug, then check file paths, dependencies, and console logs. Mismatched versions or missing assets are the usual culprits, so verify your virtualenv and asset references before blaming code.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.